Smart glasses are evolving fast, bringing us closer to a future where smartphones may no longer be the main device we rely on. From real-time translation and AI assistance to AR displays and hands-free communication, these wearables are changing how we interact with technology. Instead of looking down at screens, users can now see information directly in their field of view and control it with voice or gestures. In this video, we explore 15 smart glasses that could reshape everyday life and redefine personal computing in the near future. Smart glasses are rapidly moving beyond entertainment, and VITURE Helix shows how wearable AI can become a powerful tool in professional environments. Built for industrial, scientific, and clinical applications, these advanced glasses provide real-time assistance while allowing users to keep both hands free. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera, multiple microphones, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, the system can analyze surroundings and deliver useful information instantly. Rather than relying on a smartphone, Helix operates as a standalone platform designed for demanding workplaces. One of its most impressive capabilities is connecting a worker's point of view with AI systems that can offer guidance, support procedures, and document workflows as tasks are completed. Developed in collaboration with NVIDIA and leading research institutions, the technology aims to enhance productivity and efficiency. VITURE Helix highlights how AI-powered wearables are shaping the future of hands-free computing across professional industries. Wearable technology is evolving far beyond simple notifications, and Monako Glass offers a glimpse into a future where AI is always within view. Designed for productivity rather than entertainment, these lightweight smart glasses combine a waveguide display, integrated camera, speakers, and an advanced operating system into a compact everyday device. One of the most interesting features is its bone conduction microphone, allowing clear voice interaction even in noisy environments. The glasses also support natural hand gestures through a dedicated vision system, creating a more intuitive way to interact with digital content. By connecting with powerful AI tools, creative software, and development platforms, Monako Glass transforms traditional workflows into a seamless, hands-free experience. Built on a Linux-based foundation, the platform emphasizes flexibility, efficiency, and personalization. As wearable AI continues to advance, Monako Glass highlights how smart glasses could become an essential companion for work, creativity, and innovation. Smart glasses are becoming more capable with every generation, and Oakley MIRA AI glasses represent a major step toward blending wearable technology with everyday life. Designed for people who are constantly on the move, these glasses combine advanced AI features with a familiar performance eyewear design. Users can capture photos, record high-quality videos, listen to music, make calls, and access information through simple voice commands without reaching for a phone. Built-in microphones and open-ear speakers allow seamless communication while staying aware of the surrounding environment. The lightweight design, water-resistant construction, and extended battery life make them suitable for outdoor activities, travel, and daily use. By integrating artificial intelligence directly into eyewear, the glasses create a more natural way to interact with technology throughout the day. Oakley MIRA AI glasses showcase how wearable devices are evolving into practical tools for communication, convenience, and real-time assistance. The future of computing is steadily moving beyond traditional screens, and XREAL Aura offers a fascinating look at what comes next. Designed as a lightweight pair of smart glasses, it combines spatial computing, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality into a device that keeps users connected to both digital content and the real world. Advanced sensors allow natural hand interactions and precise environmental tracking, creating a more immersive and intuitive experience. Powered by Android XR and supported by powerful processing technology, the system can deliver interactive applications for work, learning, communication, and entertainment. Instead of isolating users inside a bulky headset, XREAL Aura overlays digital information directly into everyday surroundings while remaining comfortable for long periods of use. By combining AI with extended reality in a compact design, these smart glasses highlight how wearable technology is evolving toward a future where digital experiences feel more natural, seamless, and accessible. Portable entertainment is taking on a whole new form, and Rayneo Air 4 Pro demonstrates how smart glasses can transform the viewing experience without the bulk of traditional headsets. Designed to create the feeling of a giant private screen, these lightweight glasses connect to smartphones, laptops, gaming systems, and other compatible devices, bringing movies, games, and digital content directly into the user's field of view. Advanced display technology delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, smooth motion, and enhanced contrast for a more immersive experience. High-quality audio further adds to the sense of realism while maintaining personal listening privacy. Despite offering a large screen experience, the glasses remain compact and comfortable enough for extended use throughout the day. With a strong focus on visual quality, portability, and convenience, Rainio Air 4 Pro highlights how wearable display technology is evolving, making premium entertainment more accessible wherever users choose to watch, play, or explore digital content. Technology is becoming more inclusive, and Captify Glasses show how wearable AI can help bridge communication gaps in everyday life. Designed to display live captions directly in front of the user, these smart glasses transform spoken conversations into readable text in real time, reducing the need to constantly check a phone or external device. The system can also translate multiple languages, making communication more accessible across different cultures and environments. Lightweight and built for daily wear, the glasses are designed to fit naturally into workplaces, classrooms, meetings, and social settings. Advanced microphones help capture speech clearly while minimizing background noise, allowing conversations to remain easy to follow even in busy surroundings. Additional awareness features can identify important environmental sounds, providing valuable context beyond spoken words. Captify Glasses highlight how artificial intelligence and wearable technology are creating practical solutions that make communication more accessible, comfortable, and engaging for people around the world. As technology becomes more integrated into everyday life, Specs smart glasses offer a practical vision of how wearable AI could simplify daily routines. Designed to provide instant access to information without constantly reaching for a smartphone, these lightweight glasses combine intelligent assistance with a familiar eyewear design. Through built-in microphones and speakers, users can interact with AI, make calls, listen to audio, and receive helpful responses using simple voice commands. Rather than overwhelming users with complex displays, the focus remains on natural interaction and hands-free convenience. This approach allows people to stay engaged with their surroundings while still benefiting from modern digital tools. Whether used during travel, work, commuting, or everyday activities, the glasses aim to make technology feel more accessible and less distracting. Specs. Smart glasses reflect the growing trend towards seamless wearable computing, where artificial intelligence becomes a natural companion that supports communication, productivity, and convenience throughout the day. Smart glasses are evolving into powerful personal assistants, and MIRA AI Glasses showcase a unique approach focused on productivity, memory, and privacy. Designed to provide information exactly when it is needed, these lightweight glasses combine artificial intelligence with a discrete display that keeps content visible only to the wearer. Built-in microphones and speakers allow natural voice interaction, enabling users to ask questions, manage tasks, and access helpful information without reaching for a phone. One of the most innovative features is the ability to create searchable conversation records, helping users recall important details long after a discussion has ended. The glasses also support live captions and real-time language translation, making communication easier across different situations and cultures. By intentionally avoiding a built-in camera, the design places a strong emphasis on privacy, while still delivering advanced AI capabilities. MIRA AI glasses offer a glimpse into a future where smart eyewear provides instant access to information, improves daily organization, and supports seamless communication wherever users go. Google Intelligent Eyewear marks Google's major move into everyday smart glasses powered by Android XR and Gemini AI. Instead of acting like a simple accessory, it works as a real-time computing layer placed in front of the user's eyes while keeping them connected to the real world. Developed with partners including Samsung, Qualcomm, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker, it blends technology with fashion for all-day wear. The lineup includes an audio version using microphones and speakers for calls, messages, translations, and navigation through voice commands. A second version adds an in-lens display showing directions, notifications, and real-time translations directly in view. Powered by Android XR and deeply integrated Gemini AI, it understands what users see and delivers contextual assistance instantly. Rather than replacing smartphones, it reduces screen dependence and enables a more natural hands-free computing experience in daily life use. Lucid Reebok Smart Eyewear brings a sport-driven twist to wearable tech by blending athletic design with smart audio features built for movement and everyday use. Instead of replacing smartphones, it works as a hands-free layer for communication, music, and voice assistance during workouts, travel, and daily routines. The lineup includes frames like Flash, Nitrous, Octane, and Voltage, each tailored for comfort and active lifestyles. Open-ear audio lets users hear music and calls while staying aware of surroundings, making it ideal for runners, cyclists, and gym users. Bluetooth connectivity supports iOS and Android devices, with access to Siri, Google Assistant, and AI tools through the Lucid app. Lightweight materials, sweat resistance, and flexible frames improve durability, while touch controls add convenience. It represents a practical step towards smarter, more connected eyewear for active users seeking simplicity and freedom in motion naturally. Even Reality's G2 introduces a subtle direction for smart glasses, focusing on lightweight augmented reality that blends into everyday life without overwhelming the user. Built for all-day wear, it uses dual micro-LED waveguide displays in each lens to project a clean monochrome interface that feels like a soft heads-up layer rather than a full digital screen. At around 36 grams, the frame stays comfortable for continuous use and is made from aerospace-grade materials for durability. Instead of cameras or speakers, it relies on a 4-microphone array and smartphone processing via Bluetooth 5.2, enabling privacy-first interaction with translation, navigation, notifications, and AI-powered assistance. It works through the EvenHub platform, supporting contextual tools and productivity features while reducing screen dependency. Overall, it represents a shift toward minimal wearable intelligence integrated naturally into daily routines and communication flow without distraction or friction. Rokid AI Glasses style introduces a fresh take on wearable AI by turning a lightweight pair of glasses into a practical everyday assistant. Instead of bulky augmented reality systems, Rokid focuses on comfort and real-world use, building a design that looks and feels like normal eyewear. Weighing just 38.5 grams, the TR90 flexible frame is made for all-day wear without discomfort. It also integrates a 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 camera capable of capturing 4K photos and 3K videos, giving users a natural first-person recording experience directly from their viewpoint. Powered by AI systems like ChatGPT and Gemini, the glasses support voice commands such as "Hey Rokid" for translations, object recognition, and instant assistance. With directional speakers, a 4-microphone array, and up to 12 hours of battery life, they are designed for clear communication and long use. Gesture controls add extra convenience, making everyday tasks more seamless and hands-free naturally. ROG XREAL R1 introduces a gaming-first approach to AR glasses, designed to transform handhelds, PCs, and consoles into a massive virtual display experience. Developed through a collaboration between Asus Republic of Gamers and XREAL, it focuses entirely on performance and immersion rather than general-purpose smart features. Weighing just 91 grams, the glasses project a 171-inch micro OLED screen directly in the user's field of view, creating a monitor-like setup anywhere. With an ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate and near-instant 0.01 millisecond response time, it is built for competitive gaming where speed and clarity are critical. A plug-and-play USB-C connection ensures instant compatibility with devices like the ROG Ally, while the ROG Control Dock expands support for PCs and consoles through HDMI and DisplayPort. Electrochromic lenses adjust automatically to lighting conditions, and spatial modes like Anchor and Follow enhance immersion. With Sound by Bose audio integration, it delivers a complete portable gaming experience naturally. Quark AI Glasses mark Alibaba's entry into the next wave of wearable AI, turning a simple pair of glasses into a full smart assistant powered by the company's Qwen large language model. Instead of being just a display accessory, these glasses are designed to connect users directly with real-time AI tools for translation, navigation, object recognition, and everyday digital tasks. According to Alibaba, the Quark lineup comes in 2 versions, the flagship S1 and the lighter G1, both built to function as practical all-day smart wearables rather than experimental gadgets. The S1 model focuses on advanced functionality, with dual micro-LED displays using waveguide optics that project bright, contextual information directly into the user's field of view. It supports real-time translation, voice interaction, meeting transcription, and visual recognition through a built-in camera system. The G1 version takes a more lifestyle-focused approach. Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses introduce a completely new direction in wearable technology by combining prescription eyewear with built-in hearing assistance in a single discrete frame. Instead of focusing on cameras or augmented reality, these glasses are designed to improve speech clarity for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. Developed by Essilor Luxottica, They use directional microphones and beamforming technology to lock onto the voice of the person you are facing while reducing surrounding background noise. This makes conversations clearer in busy places like restaurants, offices, or public transport. Open-ear speakers are built into the frame, delivering sound without blocking the ear canal for a more natural listening experience. Through a companion app, users can adjust amplification, noise reduction, and listening modes such as focused or wide awareness. With around 8 to 10 hours of battery life and a wireless charging system, they are designed for daily comfort. This approach blends vision and hearing support into one seamless wearable naturally.